Welcome to Linux Overdose. This is episode 4, and today is April the 3rd, 2016. And this is just continue of episode 2, part 3, and episode 3. So it's just continue of the final setup of Linux Mint 17.3 ROSA Mate. And I'm just letting you know that I figure out how to straighten up the fonts in the terminal. I'm going to go ahead and make this large again. Control F. And we'll go ahead and click on the terminal. And this terminal is, you hit about, is the Mate terminal. So it's actually the Mate's terminal. And to find out more information about it, right here it is, and then it's just a fork of GNOME terminal. So that's a little bit. And let's see, close this. And if you want to know any more about the terminal, we got like a manual to learn a little bit more about the terminal. This is the command to run it. Mate hashtag dash terminal. Alright, now there's still squash up, and how I straighten it up a little bit where you can read it. I just go to profile preferences, uncheck use the system fix width fonts, and you can see they're still messed up, and I just went to mono space, regular 12, press OK, close, and you can see that now it's not squash up, and you can read it now. So I'm just letting you know that I figured that out, where it don't look as bad now. So you can read that pretty good. Close, and I'm gonna I am not gonna continue this final setup. It just it is time consuming to fix every little thing, to better the system a little bit better. Like I say, you just Google a lot, go to the forums, and just click and just mess with stuff until you get things the way you want it. Like I said, I got this desktop real good. I changed the theme a little bit, the fonts a little bit. So I guess I'm just going to go ahead and end this, and the next, I'll keep this up for about a week. So if anyone has any questions or wants to see something, I can I'll be glad to do it. And the next beginning to end distro I'll be choosing is Debian, and most likely I'll be doing the stable version, which is, I think it's Jesse, I think. So I'll be installing that, and show you how to install that, and hopefully these final setups will expand, where you can learn how to make the system look right for your preferences. And I really don't have a favorite. I just, every time I install a distro, I just go by the defaults and just change little by little, as long as I can just get my work done and have the right software. If I don't have it, if I don't see it, I just go ahead and install it. And I probably would change my terminal. I wouldn't be using this mate terminal, which is nothing wrong with it. I can live with it. And I like the transparency of it. So, and I like this desktop that I got. And I'm just going to go ahead and get this back to small. And I'll go ahead and end this. This is just short and sweet. And I'll sneak in some tips and tricks along the way, and the things to add in here to make it more interesting. Because I notice in here, after you do the show if you do this, you notice there is no bash RC in here. There is no X resources or X default. There is no a font folder. There is the direct color to change colors of your terminal. So all the fun stuff is not here. And it can be added by just you, and then edit the scripts. So I might come back to this and add those scripts and and learn little things in there to change. So I might do that next before I move on to Debian installment. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign off here, and we'll start episode 5 sometime down the road. It could be sometime today or 2 days, but I'll be back. And any questions and anything you want to see, I'll get right on it and get it going. So I'll go ahead and sign off and talk to you guys later. Bye.